It's a little wet out here today. And it's one of those days where, you know, maybe you don't want to get up out of bed. Maybe it's a crappy day out and it's raining like crazy. And that's what we have today. It's another series of jobs you'd rather not do all the time when you're rushed to do it. I better turn my lights off. My lights aren't off. And, you know, you forget things. I seem to forget a lot of things. Oh, there goes my glove. I'll put my glove back. Now, because it's crappy out, these horses, they'll be in for the day. We are going to just stop by. We're going to give them a little bit of water, a little bit of hay for the day while they're in. Because as you can probably see, the weather's not the greatest out here, and it's pretty dark in there too. But we'll see how she goes here. Hey guys! Oh, it's really dark now. So, let me turn some lights on. It's nice to hear the rain on the roofs. Well, hello Devin. How are you today? The light doesn't do you justice. What else we got here? We got the mystery. Hi mystery, how you doing? Anyways, I think all of them, they need water. Yeah, buckets are low. Devin, here's Houston. Hello. He's not talking. Then we got Teddy. Teddy, the fence buster. Who are you gonna call? Fence busters. Because you like busting fences, don't you? And then we got poor Apollo. Where's Paulo? Paulo! Paulo outside. I hope Paulo's outside. If he is, he's awful wet. Oh! And there he is with Aiden. You look like a couple drowned rats. Are you okay? I think they're okay. Oh, let's do the chickens. Chickens. You don't want out, do you, chickens? I'll be there in a second. There we go. So like I said, we're gonna fill their water up. We're gonna make sure they got some hay for the day. All right, Huey, Teddy, here's some water for you. Look at you knocking everything all over the place. Are you bad, Teddy? Why are you escaping? Hey, do that back up, do that back up. You don't get no grain yet, but I will throw you some hay. Hi, Houston. Need some water, buddy? You drink lots of water, that's good. A full pail. And then I'm gonna fill one more up because we got 2 more horses in here. Horse. All right, you two. This is for you, Devin. This is for you, Mystery. And then there's Devin. You hardly drink your water, eh? Well, good, I got a half a bucket. I can take it to the chickens. They'll like that. Let me grab some hay up for you. There you go, Teddy. Here you go, Louie. There you go, Devin. Couple flakes. Hello, Mystery. Here you go, buddy. There's some. Now, let's go check out the chickens. Grab the water, and off we go. You guys be good. Keep this door open again. Ooh, that's bright. Boy, that's bright. And we're, like I say, it's pretty crappy out here too. But one thing the chickens do like, look at this, is all muddy. Surprised you can even see it. It dropped on the ground. But the one thing the chickens do like when it's like this out is looking for worms. They love to look for worms. So they're probably gonna be let out today. Not really pouring, but like I said, they want to search for worms. Let's check them out. Would you like to come out and check for worms? You would? Come on out and check for worms. They want to check. I need that water. So they are checking for their worms. You check for worms? All right, chickens. Would you like to come out? Sure you would. Let me open that door. Put a rock out in front of it so it doesn't close on you. Oh, chickens. Oh, chickens. My goodness, are you okay? Here, have some water. Have some fresh water. You're loud. Would you like some scratch? Is this what you need? Here, let me empty that bowl for you. Here, chickens. Well, the chickens seem happy. They don't really want to go outside. Then again, who can blame them, right? Doesn't sound too nice out there. Do a little peek here. All these chickens are just laying in there trying to get some egg laying done, which is good. I'll let them be with that. And don't forget to hit that like button and choose your notifications so you know when I'm coming on. Some days I go live, but I have new videos every week and you don't want to miss that. Do you, chickens? The chickens say you don't want to miss that. So that is pretty much, oh look at this, there isn't even a chicken out here. No chickens. They don't want to be out in this weather. So that is our morning routine. Again, oh look, we got one little chicken's gonna do the fence jump. That one escapes all the time. Are you planning on escaping or are you just looking for worms? Probably a little of both. Bad chicken in action. You gonna show everybody how you jump fence? She's probably just waiting for me to turn my back and she will jump the fence. Where are you going? You go back in there. Rainy, poury, rainy days. Even the chickens don't want to be outside. And I forgot my raincoat and my umbrella. Pick up the bucket. You guys good? They kind of look miserable down there, but it is what it is. Okay, put that bucket back there, feed bowl back there, feed bucket back here. Take care. Chicken soup with Grumbles. What an awesome meal.